Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing this beautiful, I guess you can call it like a sunset blend. I really hope you guys are able to follow along with me. And today I'm going to be using the GLF Cosmetics Princesa Azteca palette. And this is what she looks like. So the first thing I like to do is take a primer. Usually that's concealer, and I use the Morara Cosmetics Mega Concealer. This one's similar to the Tarte Shape Tape, which is why I love it so much. And I'm just going to apply some on my eyelid. Now just keep in mind that a little bit goes a long way. With a clean finger, I'm then just going to blend that in. And obviously you can use a sponge or whatever you feel most comfortable with. Now doing this is just going to give me an even tone surface to work with, and it's also going to make any colorful look just really stick on there and pop even more. Next, I'm going to be picking up this all over shader brush, and this one is by Lamora Beauty. And I really like this brush because it is a little bit more dense than the rest of them. Just ignore the stain, you guys. I use it a lot, so that color is pretty much stuck on there. But anyways, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Montezuma, and I'm going to really start by packing that into the crease area. Now I'm just going to start with a really light hand, and I'm going to pack it into the crease area, and with small circular motions like I always do, I'm just going to start blending this upward. And now I don't ever take too much product at a time because this one, as you can tell, is very pigmented. I don't want it to be hard to blend out, so I'm just going to take a little bit at a time and then keep building that shade up. This is actually one of my favorite reds to work with. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit more, and I'm just going to do the same. I'm going to apply that into the crease and then slowly buff it upwards. Next, I'll be taking this blending brush, and this one doesn't have a name, but it's by GLF Cosmetics, and it comes in a bundle. As always, I'll list them all below, you guys. And this one's stained as well, but I'm going to be picking up this pink shade in the palette, and I'm just going to apply this directly on top of the red. I'm just going to slowly buff that in as well. As you can see, I'm using very small circular motions with a very light hand. You never want to stab it into your skin. You just want to very softly, very gently start to blend it upwards, and this is going to give you that flawless blend. So again, I'm going to be taking a little bit more, and I'm going to do the same thing. Just apply it and then slowly blend it out. So now that we're here, I still think the edges can be a little bit softer, so I'm just going to take a little bit more product so that I can blend this out. Now taking a smaller blending brush by that bundle set from GLF Cosmetics, I'm picking up this yellow shade, and I'm going to apply that above the pink, directly on top of it as well, and I'm just going to buff it upwards. Now it's okay, the whole point of this is to get that beautiful orange blend that it's going to create. And I'm just going to be taking a little bit at a time as always, and just continue to blend upwards. So just continue to apply a little bit of product at a time and continue to blend it out. This stray hair is just bothering me and I will fix that later. But as you can see, we are creating this beautiful tropical like sunset vibe. Now when I get here, I'm just going to round out this edge. And just to let you know, whenever I'm blending as well, I hold it towards the base of the brush rather than towards where the bristles are. So about right here. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit more of that pink shade and holding the brush at the same angle. I'm just going to apply that in the center and continue to blend, you guys. So here's a little bit of a close-up action for you guys. She's looking very prettiful, which I don't even think is a word, but it's coming out nicely. So now I'm just going to apply some red to the lid, and because I want to keep this look just as simple as possible and easy for you guys to follow along with. Maybe next video we can do an in-depth on how to do a cut crease. And of course, this is not going to be my only blending video. I really want your guys' criticism, and I would love your suggestions on what I should film next. So just go ahead and leave those in the comment box if you guys get a chance, of course. And of course, you guys, I'll show you another technique on how to blend. Some people, well, I like to start on the base and blend upwards. Some like to start on the top and blend downwards, which is what I used to do. But actually, I found this one a little bit more comfortable to do, and I think it's just easier for me to achieve that perfect blend this way. I promise we are almost done, you guys. I'm just taking a little bit more of that yellow to really bring out that orange hue, and I'm just going to blend that upwards. And next, just a little bit more pink. And now I really want the lid color to stand out, so I'm going to apply it with my finger to get the best color payoff. So it should look something like this. So there was very little to no fallout, but I'm still going to wipe underneath my eye. And then I'm going to apply some concealer just to clean it up. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking a very small, I guess you can say it's a small precision blending brush. And this one is by Color Noir. And I'm going to apply a little bit of that red right underneath the lash line. Now picking up some pink on the same brush, I'm just going to do the same thing. Next, I will be taking this smaller blending brush, and this one's by GLF Cosmetics as well. And I'm going to be picking up this yellow, and I'm going to blend out the shades on the lower lash line. Now since I feel I lost some of the intensity of the red shade, I'm going to apply some pink and then I'm going to blend it out again. So next I'm going to be curling my lashes and then I'm going to apply some mascara and we're almost done, you guys. And for mascara today, I'm using this Voluminous P-Line and this is by L'Oreal. And for lashes today, I'm going to be applying these Lily lashes in the style Mink NYC. And lastly, I'm going to be applying this white liner to my waterline just to give it a little bit more of a pop. And this one is by Rimmel, I believe. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really want to do more videos like this for you guys, more of like an in-depth tutorial. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Just go ahead and comment them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed week and we'll see you next time.